Good morning, class.
Good morning, teacher.
How are you?
We are fine.
It is a time of agriculture and nutrition. Today we learn about needlework. How to use a tape measure in needlework. Now, to use a tape measure, you need tape measure, pencil, and piece of paper. How to measure? Step number 1. Put the tape measure on the edge of your friend's shoulder. Step 2. Stretch it along up to the wrist. Read the measurement. 21 centimeters. Write down on a piece of paper. Step number 3. Place the tape measure around the waist of your friend. Ensure it's not too tight or too loose.
Wait.
Read the measurement.
32 centimeters.
And write it down on a piece of paper. Step number 4. Place the tape measure on the waist and stretch it to the knee. Read the measurement
20 centimeters.
and write it down on a piece of paper. Step number 5. Place the tape measure on the waist and stretch it to the ankle. Read the measurement
34 centimeters.
and write it down on a piece of paper. Step number 6. Place the tape measure at the edge of the shoulder and stretch it down to the ankle. Read the measurement
47 centimeters.
and write it down on a piece of paper. That is all about how to use a tape measure in needlework. Before I finish, I want to ask some questions to our tailor. Our tailor, what is the length of the arm?
21 centimeters.
What is the size of the waist?
32 centimeters.
What is the length of the waist to the knee?
20 centimeters.
What is the length of waist to the ankle?
34 centimeters.
What is the length of the shoulder to the ankle?
47 centimeters.
Thank you and have a good day.
Thank you very much. Can you clap for our teacher today? That is a very good work from our teacher. Let him stand here. I want us to give him a very good clap because that is not enough for him. This is our best teacher, very eloquent. Okay? Let us just clap once like this. Just one clap. 1, 2, 3, go. Very good. And try again next time. Okay? So that is all about uh, how to use a tape measure in needlework. Those steps that our teacher has told us are the steps that are supposed to be followed when you are trying to measure using a tape measure. Okay? So if you find somebody asking you what is this and you learned it in school, it's called what? It's called a tape measure. And this tape measure is used to take what? Measurements. To take what? To take measurements. To take measurements. Okay? Now, when you are taking measurements, remember you must have somewhere you are supposed to do what? To write down the measurements. Because I say you might forget na ushone longi mguu mmoja fupi ingine mrefu. Si ndio? So it is good you do what? You take measurements before you go and make your clothes. Okay? So that's all about needlework. Now, our next lesson is going to be about how now to cut out the materials so that you make clothes in needlework. Okay? So thank you very much, and our teachers for today, may God bless you. Okay? Thank you very much. Can you also clap for Taylor? Now, clap for our client today who came to look for the measurements to make for the clothes. Clap for him. And here is our monitor who was looking for everything that was taking place if it was right. Can you clap for him? Okay, that one marks our end of the lesson.